Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa. Today I'm going to teach you how to use honey and turmeric to create this shower gel. It's so easy to make. Let's measure our ingredient. Make sure you use the right scale to measure your ingredient. I'm using 250 grams of distilled water for this production. And always make sure you use distilled water, no tap water or pure water, because sometimes they are contaminated. And if you use tap water and it's contaminated, your product is going to go bad. And that's not good for the skin. So always make sure you use distilled water. Also, we are using cocoa betaine 50 grams, and cocoa betaine is a surfactant helping water bond with dirt and oil, making cleaning easier. So this is a foaming agent. I'm also using 50 grams of witch hazel. Witch hazel is very good for skin. It can reduce acne, tighten your pores. It can cleanse your skin of excess oil. So it's very good for those who have oil skin. If you don't have witch hazel, you can replace it with aloe vera juice too. It's good. I will use 10 grams of hydrolyzed slick protein, which is very good for skin radiant, and it can smooth your skin and give you a nice skin tone. Yeah, so if you don't have this, you can replace it with any protein that is very good for the skin. And next, I'm going to use raw honey, which is very good for skin. Raw honey can be a good cleanser. It can exfoliate your skin, lighten scar, and fight acne. So I really like honey a lot, and it's easy to get. That's one of the ingredients that is easy to get. So it can also moisturize your skin very good. If you don't have honey, you can replace it with glycerin. The next ingredient is 100 grams of sodium lauryl sulfate. It's a foaming agent that is very good for cleaning the skin. It's foamed very well together with the cocoa betaine. So without this, we are not going to get the foaming without this and the cocoa betaine. So this is a cleaning agent. We are also using 10 grams of turmeric powder, and turmeric powder is easy to get. One of my favorite ingredients, and a lot of you, that's one of your favorite ingredients too. It can lighten hyperpigmentation, deal with dull skin, reduce dark circles, prevent premature aging, and it can help with eczema. If you have skin rashes and you use it, it can help. It make your skin glow very well. So that's one of the easiest ingredient to get, and I really love it when it's in my recipes. So try it and you will never regret. You really like this particular ingredient. I'm also using 1 grams of Germaplast preservative so that I can preserve my product without not going bad in case I'm selling it or I'm giving it out or I'm using it. You need preservative. And I'm using 1 grams of fragrant oil. You can use any fragrant oil of your choice, or you can choose to use essential oil of your choice. It all depends on you. So what we are going to do next is we are going to add our powder, that is sodium lauryl sulfate, into the water phase. After you add it, you stir well, because we are going to melt it or heat it so that that powder will melt. And as you stir, it will be foaming, so don't overstir. That is very easy to make if you follow the instruction. So what I'm doing is a double boiler method to melt or to heat the water phase that we just mix the sodium lauryl sulfate in it. We will heat it for everything to melt. Make sure everything melts. And because I don't want to burn it, that's why I did the water phase method. Sorry. That's the reason I'm doing double boiler method. So try and use the double boiler method to do it. Now everything has melted, so what I'm going to do is to let it sit down to cool down completely. So as it's cooled down, it's going to thicken. Yeah, now you see it as a liquid, but as it's cooled down, it will be very thick. I'm adding, after it's cooled down, I will add my preservative to it. So I'm adding my preservative to it, and also I'm going to add my turmeric powder to it and stir very well. So you stir and make sure that everything combined very well. It's very easy. This recipe, you can customize it your own. Rather adding the turmeric powder, you can choose to add any herbal powder that you like, or you can choose to leave the turmeric out and add your fragrant or essential oil and use it as your shower gel. You can choose to use rose water to replace the distilled water, to replace the distilled water or the turmeric powder. And you see, now we have our soup. So I'm adding my fragrant oil, which is very easy. Then you stir very well. If your soap, you think your soap is so thin or liquid, you can dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt, table salt, into warm water for it to dissolve. Then you add it a little by little to get the consistency that you want. But my soup was okay. So you can see I have poured it into a clean bottle, and my shower gel is ready. I can use it for my face and my body, and all you need to do is to use it twice a day. Yeah, morning and evening. And if you like, you can apply it on your skin for 5 minutes before you take your bath. I will leave the recipe in the description box for you to create your own batch in a percentage form. So those who want to create a large percentage can look at the percentage, convert into what they want to create. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video. Bye bye.